Welcome back to Bike Shift, the channel where we dive deep into the latest motorcycles and scooters shaping the future of urban mobility. Today, we're talking about one of the most anticipated premium scooters of the year, the 2025 Suzuki Burgman 180. Suzuki has taken a bold step forward with this new iteration, blending luxury, practicality, and performance in a way that could redefine the maxi scooter experience in the 150 to 200 cubic centimeters segment. The 2025 Burgman 180 carries the iconic Burgman DNA, sleek, executive styling that turns heads wherever it goes. Suzuki has sharpened the lines for a more aerodynamic silhouette while retaining that large, comfortable bodywork that gives riders a sense of presence on the road. The scooter now features full LED lighting, including a futuristic split headlamp setup and integrated LED turn indicators. A redesigned tail section with a sharper LED strip enhances its modern appeal. The wide seat, step design, and ample legroom make long rides incredibly comfortable, while the large front apron and tall windscreen offer great wind protection for highway cruising. At the heart of the Burgman 180 lies a newly developed 178 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected engine. This motor delivers a perfect balance of power and refinement, producing around 17 horsepower and 16 Newton-meters of torque. With Suzuki's eco-performance technology, the Burgman 180 ensures both spirited acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency. The scooter glides smoothly through city traffic and remains composed on open highways, thanks to its refined CVT transmission and optimized power delivery. Suzuki's engineers have tuned the motor for strong mid-range punch, making overtaking effortless and highway cruising stable even at higher speeds. Suzuki has loaded the 2025 Burgman 180 with modern features to appeal to tech-savvy riders. The fully digital instrument cluster now comes with Bluetooth connectivity, offering turn-by-turn navigation, call and message alerts,